It's a nice day to build a sandcastle at the beach, don't you agree, Nunu and Maisie?
Yes, Laura, it is fun building a sandcastle even though it's the first day of summer. But let's just continue building our sandcastle. Right.
Wow, those sandcastles look great.
Same here. Me too.
But anyways, what should we do next?
I think we should go swimming. I don't think I can go swimming.
Why not?
Because last time we were at the ocean, I almost drowned.
Don't worry, Maisie, you will not drown because the water at the beach is shallow.
We'll go with you. Okay then. Wow, the water isn't that deep.
Yeah, Maisie, the beach water is not that deep, you don't have to worry about drowning.
I had to agree with her. At least it's better than the ocean. Right.
So, we hope you enjoyed this summer special.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.